you're experiencing FPS drops in PUBG, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming performance. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance your gameplay experience. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download and install the latest drivers. This can significantly improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in PUBG. Go to the settings menu and reduce options such as texture quality, shadows, and anti-aliasing. Setting these to low or medium can help increase your FPS. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close unnecessary background applications before launching PUBG. Use the task manager to end tasks that are consuming CPU and memory resources. This will free up system resources for the game. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Lag and connection issues can also contribute to perceived FPS drops. Step 5. Monitor hardware temperatures. Keep an eye on your CPU and GPU temperatures while gaming. Overheating can lead to throttling, which reduces performance. Clean your hardware and ensure proper ventilation to maintain optimal temperatures. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce FPS drops and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in PUBG. Happy gaming!